Hello students, myself Deepak Agarwal from Toppers Coaching. Today we shall discuss about a simple problem which seems difficult but it is based on congruency of triangles. Here it is. We have given that in triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 2 angle C. It is given. Angle B is equal to 2 angle C and AD is the bisector of angle A. AD is bisector of angle A. You have to prove that angle A is equal to 72 degree. These all things are given. We have to prove this, that angle A is equal to 72 degree. Now what we do? We have to do some construction. In construction, similar to angle A bisector, we have drawn the bisector of angle B, which meets AC at P. Construction, draw bisector of angle B which meets AC at P. Also we have to do that join PD. Second construction is join PD. Now comes proof. According to problem, what we did, let this angle C is Y, then this angle automatically becomes 2Y according to question. B is equal to 2 angle C, and this 2Y is divided into Y and Y because we have drawn bisector BP. And let this angle be 2x. Therefore, it is also similarly divided in two angles x and x. So, what we do? Now we have to take two triangles. What are these triangles? These triangles are A, B, P and triangle P, D, C. Also it is given, I forgot, that AB is equal to DC. These two lines are equal. Now, AB is equal to DC. This is given. AB is equal to DC. This is given. And angle PCD is equal to angle ABP, that is Y each. Two things are equal. Now, two things are equal, ABP and PDC. Y is equal to Y and x before we carry on, we are seeing that this triangle BPC is isosceles triangle. Therefore, BP is equal to PC because these two angles are equal. This is Y and this is Y. BPC is isosceles. Therefore, BP will be equal to PC. Now, SAS, these two triangles are congruent. ABP is congruent to triangle PDC. Now, this triangle, if we overlap this triangle PDC on ABP, then this angle A will collide angle D. Therefore, this angle D becomes 2x. This angle D becomes 2x. Therefore, angle A is equal to angle PDC. And what happened? That PC becomes AB. PC is equal to AB. And PT is equal to AP. These three conclusions we receive from this congruency. What happened? What happened when AP is equal to PD? Therefore, this angle also becomes X because AP is equal to PD. Therefore, triangle APD becomes isosceles. Now, what happened? We have received this angle is equal to this angle is equal to 2x. This angle is equal to 2x. Then what happened? Now in triangle ABC, what we see? We see that 2x plus 2y plus y is equal to 180. Means, so here goes, in triangle ABC 2x plus 2y plus y is equal to 180. A, B, D. What we see that this is the exterior angle ADC exterior angle is equal to, it will be the sum of angle X plus angle ABD, means this will be equal to angle BAD plus angle ABD, means ADC is equal to 3x, BAD is equal to x, and ABD is equal to 2y. What happens? 3x minus x, 2x is equal to 2y. It means that x is equal to y. This is the result we got from here. Let it be equation 2. Now what we do? We have to substitute this value of y in equation 1. By equation 1, 2x plus 2x plus x is equal to 180, means 5x is equal to 180. Therefore, x is equal to 36 degree. Therefore, angle A is equal to 2x is equal to 36 into 2 is equal to 72 degree. Here it is 2. So what we do now? This is a simple congruency problem. Nothing is given, but there is a condition which is given. Angle B is equal to 2 angle C, and what we did, we have to do some construction. By the help of these constructions and by the help of this congruency we have proved that angle A is equal to 72.